You're going to create your ePortfolio for this class through Adobe Spark, and you can access it a few different ways. One is through your Adobe Creative Cloud app. Just go up here and find Web, and you can launch it from here. You can also launch it from your class link, as well as from doing a simple Google search. Once you have it open, you are going to create a new web page. I've already started mine here. Adobe Spark is very simple because all you have to do are click the plus signs and it lets you know what you can add. So up here, I put ePortfolio. Then you're going to put your full name and then the name of your class. So if you're in PAAVTC, you put PAAVTC. If you're in graphic design and illustration, then put that. This plus sign will allow you to add a background image. You can upload a photo if you have a photo of you or a photo of artwork that you've created or a photo you've taken, then you can upload it and add it there. You can also use the Find Free Photos and search for something that you think is appropriate to go in the background. Okay? Then this first plus sign that you have, you're going to add your navigation. Your navigation is simply your links or your buttons that are going to take you from one page to the next of your ePortfolio. So take a minute and type this. If you want to put these decorative lines, hold the Shift key down, and it's the key that is just above the Enter key. It's not required, but if you want it, you can put it there. Obviously, this first page is going to be the About Me page, or rather About You, and then you'll have a page for each of the six weeks. So on the About Me page, write 2 paragraphs about you and what you are looking forward to this year. Doesn't necessarily have to be about this class. Once you have information in, I want you to see that you have the ability to add items at any place in here. So even though you've put in 2 things, there's still plus signs above, between, and below. So if you need to reorder things or add things above it, you can, which is important because as you start creating these pages, all of your every new post is going to go at the top so that the oldest work is at the bottom, the newest work is at the top. Now, once you finish, it automatically saves it. However, in order for you to actually share your link or your ePortfolio, this is not the link that you would share. You have to come up here to the Share button and choose the Publish and Share link. Now, the first time you do this, it's going to say, do you want to publish and share or something to that effect? Do that. But every time you make a change to it, it tells you, we noticed that you made some changes to your project, update link. Update that link. And this is your URL. So all you have to do is hit copy there. But make sure that you always update it after changes. Otherwise, your teacher cannot see your updated work. Now you're going to copy this link into 2 places. One of them is going to be when you log into Kasam Tennis. So you log in using your LCISD username and password. You're not logging in with WordPress. You're logging in with a username and password. And you are going to come up here once you're logged in and choose Edit Profile. And then you can copy your URL. Come in here, you'll find the website that you can paste. Come down to the bottom. If you have not already clicked on this plus sign to add your period number, and here's a list for you to choose from, and then click Update Profile. What that does is it allows me, when I come up to look at the stats, I see it there. The second place you should do it is in the challenge. So If you are in PAABTC, you click on your class page. You scroll down to the intro materials and find Create ePortfolio. And the last part, sharing, tells you about the edit your profile, which I just showed you, and follow this link. This link is going to have you fill out using your school email, your first and last name. If you have a nickname that you would like to be called other than your first name, put that there. Choose your class period, and I do have a lot, so look at it and choose carefully. And then you would also include your URL here, and then hit submit.